Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel, and on today's video I'll be showing you how I move from this to this beautiful light brown makeup tutorial and a good bronzy eyes. Let's get right in. Welcome back guys. Skin prep is an important factor in makeup process, and trust me, you want to work on a clean canvas. You want to make sure that the entire skin is properly clean. And here I'm using the Ghanaian micellar cleansing water, which is also a makeup remover. And then I proceeded to this Nigerian brand omaricode and moisturizer. I love the kind of hydration and feelings that this product just leave the skin with. It makes it feel properly refreshed. Okay, this is one product to watch out for. So I am using a flat brush to properly blend that before going in with this classic mattifying primer. This primer, trust me, is very affordable. It's cheap, 4,000 naira, be 4,500. To think that people always underrate it. To think that not all cheap things are bad and not all expensive things are good. This primer is affordable and it's good for the amount. And then I went in with my setting spray to melt all of that in. And then I went in with my foundation, which is the Born This Way foundation and a Nigerian brand V Beauty mixed together. Born This Way foundation is currently $46, which is around 73,000 naira. The way this foundation is expensive, it is well. The way we are the take manager. By now, you know that I usually like to blend my foundation using a brush to just push that to sit into the skin, and then I apply the setting spray, and this is Noban Beauty in Nigerian brown. And then I use my damp beauty blender as usual from the White Glam Cosmetics. Okay, and when I mean damp, your beauty blender cannot be dry. You won't achieve a good result. It has to be wet. Okay, that's what I mean by damp. Blend. Blending is key when it comes to makeup tutorial and makeup process. And then I went in with my concealer. It was time to apply the highlight and the low light. And for highlight, I went in, I think, in Nigerian brand concealer. It should be Ezekiel, because this is why I'm liking Ezekiel concealer. And then of course I'm going to mix it with my Kevin O'Quan. You can see the brush I use for foundation is also the brush I'm using to apply contour on a zygomatic bone carefully, okay, so that it doesn't get into the hairline. And then I went also on her forehead, which is the template of the face, to further apply a darker shade of foundation on those areas. Proceeded to my blush application, still using the same brush. Okay, so all you do is just dab, place on top. You don't have to rub, you don't have to scatter. When I see make people they do makeup at times, so just scatter the thing, the rubber go front, rubber come back. I see wetin dey happen. They fight war for the face. Don't be like that now. Just they put on small, the thing will enter. And then for my contour, I went in with my MAC concealer contour palette. And I love the warm shade there. I usually use it for my warm contour, and because contour does not need to be charcoal. And then I went in with my beauty blender to blend. One of the most valuable tip for a makeup tutorial or any fantastic makeup process is blending. Trust me, if you know how to blend makeup properly, you won't be having any challenges with your makeup breaking after a while or with your makeup caking. You can see that if you follow through the necessary process that I've been following. I get to tell her make you do nose, so when you do your nose, those hidden corners for the nose way beauty blender and brush no dey quick dey enter. You go do the you go enter way, and so you just be. I just the blender small. Place your blush. You can see where I place the blush at the apple of her cheek, which is almost the highest point of her cheek. That is where you place your blush. In those days, people go smile first before we go put blush for face. But these days, if you like, you burn your face. If you like, you smile. So you like do for the face. We know the place where blush supposed to be. See the face, zero filter. See how properly blended. At this point, I went in with my setting powder, and the setting powder I use on this makeup, I've not used it for a while, which is the Sasha Buttercup. I love the yellow undertone that that powder has, so that's what I'm using to just set the entire look. Okay, by the way, I don't know if I did a brief induction of who this beautiful human is. Are you interested? Do you want to know who she is? Should I start explaining? Eh? Tell me. Ask me on the comment section. I will be waiting to interact with you all, my darlings. Okay. And then I went in, further went in to blend, and I'm using my, at this point I was on the contour process using the Morphe bronzer for my contour. You can see how I'm just going easy. In fact, when it comes to this part, I'm very serious because me no go give person ben nose in the name of highlight and contour. Anyway, so I use the buttercup setting powder, and I'm still using my beauty blender to apply that. You can actually use your beauty sponge or your beauty blender to apply makeup from beginning, from start to finish. Trust me guys, you can. So I'm done setting the face. It's time for baking, and then it's time to apply my brow tamer on the eyebrows to keep it in place before proceeding to applying eyeshadow primers on the eyelid for a good bronzy eye tutorial. Enjoy it guys.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I'll make mistakes, but mistakes make you strong. Let's break it down for a minute. I want the crown, I'm gon' get it. You hear me loud, man, I'm winning. Yeah, Charlie Sheen will be grinning. These ladies know that I'm sinning, and this is just the beginning. I'm closing in the ninth inning. There ain't no point in resisting. Living life like a dream, live it right, that's the thing. Every night got a team, I've been tied to the scene. Out on stage, here I'm scream. Okay, it's a dream, and I pray as a team. One day it'll be me. If I want it, then I get it. Head down, don't regret it. Push myself to the limit. If I play it, then I win it. I'm just saying, I'm just living for today. For a minute, I don't stay, I just visit. Have no shame, I admit it. Looking right at me to see if I succeed, to see if I believe. They're looking up to me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now. Swear to God, man, I'ma make it soon. Silence all the haters as they see us making moves. I do what I want, so I got nothing to prove. Staying motivated, teaching others what to do. I'm staying focused, my mind is open. They start to notice that I'm in motion. There is no potion, you're not just chosen. It takes devotion to stay composed, man. Never stop, there ain't no time to fall. Try to live, get it all, you got one life to ball. Thinking big, never small, cause you gotta want it all. When you finally get that call, you get ready, take it on. Need a hand out, I already stand out. Starting to advance now, ready to expand now. You don't have a chance now, cause we're in demand now. Make it by the grand now, feeling in command now. They're looking right at me to see if I succeed, to see if I believe. They're looking up to me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now.
Hey loves, I trust you enjoy the eyeshadow process, the eyeshadow makeup tutorial. I trust you enjoyed it. And this is me applying the mascara on the eyes to further darken our lashes. And then it's time for the brows too.
There's a hope that's waiting for you in the dark. You should know you're beautiful just the way you are. You don't have to change a thing, the world could change its heart. No sky, say you're beautiful. We're stars and we're beautiful. Oh, you don't have to change a thing, the world could change its heart. No sky, say you're beautiful. We're stars and we're beautiful. She has dreams to be an envy, so she's starving, you know. Cover goes in nothing she says. Beauty is pain and there's beauty in everything. What's a little bit of hunger? I could go a little while longer. She fades away. She don't see her perfect. She don't understand she's worth it. All that beauty goes deeper than the surface. So to all the girls that's hurting, let me be your mirror. Help you see a little bit clearer. The light that shines within. There's a hope that's waiting for you in the dark. You should know you're beautiful just the way you are. You don't have to change a thing, the world could change its heart. No sky, say you're beautiful. We're stars and we're beautiful. You don't have to change a thing, the world could change its heart. No sky, say you're beautiful. We're stars and we're beautiful. No better you than the you that you are. No better you than the you that you are. No better life than the life we're living. No better life than the life we're living. No better time for you shine, you're a star. No better time for you shine, oh you're beautiful, yeah. Oh you're beautiful. There's a hope that's waiting for you in the dark. You should know you're beautiful just the way you are. And you don't have to change a thing, the world could change its heart. No scars, yeah, you're beautiful. We're stars and we're beautiful. You don't have to change a thing, the world could change its heart. No scars, yeah, you're beautiful. We're stars and we're beautiful.
Isn't she so adorable and beautiful? Did you listen to the song? She's absolutely stunning, and it's her birthday shoot. Please remember to say a prayer for her in the comment section for my darling dearest Obas. May the Lord bless and perfect all that concerns you in this new age. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment down below what kind of look you want to see on this channel. I will see you in my next video. Until then, so stay blessed, be happy, smile often, remain positive, and bye guys.